Hi, I just wanted to give a quick demo of how you can search and route between addresses from the map. And when I say the map, I'm talking about the map that's in the console up here. There's many ways you can get to the map, but you can get to it from here, or you can get to it from the inspections portlet or the record portlet. There's many different ways to get to the map. I'll show you how to get there from searching inspections. So from here you go to the inspections portlet, and let's say I wanted to search, I think I've already searched this person's inspections, but I'll just show you. If you search, I'm going to say building inspectors, David Reynolds. And so I'm looking here, I'm just making sure that I got like different addresses here so it actually looks like a route. So what I'll do is, since I got his inspections, I got 5 of them. You can expand this out to more, but I'll just do these 5. I'm going to select all these, and I'm going to say, first off, I'm going to say show locations on map. And it should show me, it should load those addresses in here. And while these are all checked, I can go to this actions drop down and say route. And after that, I can add a stop and start from a place, or I don't have to. I guess I can just route those addresses here, and it will give me a route between all these 5 addresses. So it starts way over here and tells me I need to go down in here and then back up here for the final address here. So that's how you do it. Now if you wanted to say, I'm going to start from my hotel, which I usually stay at when I'm there. And I think since this is a global search, it's not just specific to Birmingham. I'm going to actually have to put Birmingham, Alabama here for it to recognize it. And move this up to the top. So now I have it starting at my hotel and going down here. If I want to remove any of these, I can click the little trash can button, and it gives me a time and how many miles the total route is. So that's a pretty handy way, and that's just one way you can do it. You can also do it from the record list. Anywhere where you can get to this map and you have a result, you can click the actions button and click route. So you can also search here. You can search addresses or records, and anything that has an address associated with it. So but just feel free to play with it and let me know how it works. Thanks a lot.